money to make. I got some money to
Yo,
make.
check. I want the money, but not for the clothes and hoes. I want the money so my moms won't work no more. I want the dough, but not for the house and whips. I want the dough to take my whole family on some trips. I want the cream, the peso, you know what I mean? I never sleep, so never have I had American dreams, huh? So I don't fuck with politics on the beat. They racist, and they don't really give a shit if I eat. I live in the street and loving every second I'm in it. Find me on Century and Myrtle if you think it's a gimmick. Y'all niggas will feel it. I'm like Big and Pac in the spirit. And if y'all niggas disagree, then you don't listen to lyrics. Give a fuck about the critics, the haters can burn. 85% is stupid and probably will never learn. But me, I keep it pushing, and really I'm not concerned. I just lay back, relax, and wait for Pac to return. Cause
misery is all I see, that's my mind state. Lay back, I got some money to make. Misery is all I see, that's my mind state. I got some money to make. Misery is all I see, that's my mind state. Lay back, I got some money to make. Misery is all I see, that's my mind
Real
state.
shit, man.
I got some money to
Yo,
make.
I'm from LZA, the city of angels, where the cops consistently try to put us in handcuffs. Cause out here we tend to refuse to obey the law. We the rebels of the streets who stay prepared for a brawl. When them shots ring out, it's just the luck of the draw. Anybody's a victim, you won't believe what you saw when you witness your homie just getting hit till he falls. 40 shatters as them strays hit the concrete wall. So our best bet is not to roll without protection. Without a question, I'll let them fly to your direction. So lay back, I got some money to make. A duffel bag full of goodies that had me locked up state. But that's just the risk I be willing to take. And my homies will all agree, so ain't no time for debate. So we committed to make it, this how we go get it. This life is what you make it, gotta do something with it, homie.
Misery is all I see, that's my mind state. Lay back, I got some money to make. Misery is all I see, that's my mind state. I got some money to make. Misery is all I see, that's my mind state. Lay back, I got some money to make. Misery is all I see, that's my mind state. I got some money to make.
I want the cash, the cars, the jewelry and rings. We value people's life based on material things. No education, so homie, yo, my chances is bleak. And I ain't trying to work no fucking 80 hours a week for minimum wage. I'm thinking like, what can I do? I got no food in my fridge and my bills is due. No guidance in my life, I'm a rap dude stuttering. Money is the issue, the economy is struggling. We put a black man in office, where's the change? My economic situation is still the same. Now it's back to the block selling rocks to kids. It's not right, but tell me what my option is. It's like a cycle, niggas serving lots of bids, and it's all for the cash. Yo, my plans is big, so empty out the drawer and give me the tape and lay down, homeboy. I got some money to make.
Some money to make. Some money to make.